Hi there, it's Dr. Kat Brown, the medical director at Winona. I just wanted to come and talk to you about a topic, something that's on all of our minds right now. The holidays can be a very stressful time for many of us, but especially during menopause. As our hormones are declining, the estrogen and progesterone especially, it can really affect our sleep. It can cause some emotional lability and triggers back and forth, and also can cause us to lose our resilience as well. So one of the things that we have to take in mind when we are preparing for the holidays and family events is that we shouldn't overcommit ourselves. It's really important that you take the time to yourself for self-care and that you focus on your hydration, your nutrition, moments of movement, but anything that can bring you little bundles of joy and peace during that time that can be very, very busy. Also, it's important for women that are going through this transition to avoid overcommitting themselves. Maybe you shouldn't be hosting every family gathering, every dinner. Maybe you shouldn't be the one orchestrating all the family fun. Let somebody else help you for a change. And remember that no is a complete sentence. Use the time during menopause where you're struggling with so many different things in your life and so many symptoms as an excuse for yourself to put yourself first. Put your self-care first. And it's something that HRT could help as well. If you are dealing with a lot of symptoms and you're struggling, and you're noticing that it's harder and harder to get through each day, this might be a good time to consider adding an HRT to your regimen as well. It's possible that HRT plans can help you not only with those symptoms, but they can help you to ease stress, improve your mood, and also help you with your sleep, which can make you a better version of yourself going into the holiday season as well. That's just some food for thought, something to think about. Get through the holidays easier this year.